Armor All Extreme Shield Protect and Shine Ceramic Wax provides a brilliant shine and a bright orange formula to help make sure you never miss a spot. Start with a clean vehicle that has been washed and rinsed. Here, we're using a dry car, but this ceramic wax can also be used on a wet surface. It's super easy to use. Spray it 1 to 2 times from about 3 to 6 inches away, and you'll see the bright orange color immediately. Then, take a clean, damp microfiber towel to spread and buff it in until the orange is no longer visible. Finish the section and use a clean, dry microfiber to wipe the surface until it's crystal clear. Use the same process across the rest of the vehicle. Now your car has extreme water beating and water repellency, with an invisible protective layer and over a year of shine. The Protect and Shine Ceramic Wax from Armor All. Less work, more clean.